I grew up on a farm in Missouri. I'm one of 7 kids. So Missouri dirt cake is one of the desserts that we requested a lot. Easy to make, it's just a few steps, and it makes a huge batch. So we're going to mix 8 ounces of cream cheese. You want the cream cheese to be soft and easy to stir. And then you add a container of Cool Whip to the 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. So you just stir this together. Okay, and then you're going to make some instant vanilla pudding, and then you add 2 cups of milk. So you stir that up. Then you're going to add a 1/3 cup of powdered sugar. And y'all, this is seriously so easy to make. All right, so then you're just gonna mix these 2 things together, crumble up a whole package of Oreo cookies, and layer the entire bottom of the pan. All right, so now you just pour this on top. You just spread this on top of the Oreos. Leave some Oreos from the package to put on top, and see, it's so cute. You just cover it like with saran wrap, let it sit in the fridge for like 30 minutes or an hour maybe. Take it out and serve it, and it is absolutely delicious. All right, so it's been in the fridge long enough so you can see that it's solid. Missouri dirt cake, everyone. My mom would be really proud. It's fabulous.